Yeah, Kweku real levels. Black lives matters most right now in this world we dey right now. Black lives matter, and we all stay strong. So respect is given to the black man. What I say till police brutalities are no more. Me, as a Ghanaian, I faced a lot of police brutalities. Police are the last time before I came to the US in February. Within a week, 2 times. The first one, they stopped me. They said they want to search my car. I said, why would you stop and search my car? They said they are looking for contrabands and drugs. I told them I don't sell drugs. The whole Ghana knows say in Tampere they me shit. So if in Tampere na obe hwehwe there, me shit. But I don't have in Tampere in my car. And I will not let you search my car unless you show me a warrant. See, me then the police, we did there. You know why? They wanted settlement. We did there at the end of the day, we do the settlement. The following week, police arrested me, put handcuff on me. Just this February. Ghana lives matter. Ghanaian lives matter. They put handcuff there. I said, why have you put handcuff on me? They said they want to search my bag, my wallet. I mean, I'm a criminal. I said, have you heard me steal or rob something or done anything? They say you are a criminal. You smoke. You smoke, so you are a criminal. Ghana police told me I smoke, so I am a criminal. So they put handcuff on me. Search my bag. I don't know where they found a little roll. Some small weed in my bag. I don't know if they planted it in my bag because I knew that I didn't have that weed. What they make call my Middle East police station. They go lock me for that. If I didn't settle them out, like they were gonna make news the following day, that Kwaw Kese has been arrested for weed. Ghanaian lives matter. Kwaw Kese's life matter. Ghana police, if you are watching me, my life matter. Yeah. You see, so the Black Lives Matter there. Even we black people are doing it to our own selves. Ghanaian police, black man, you are treating Ghanaians like a piece of shit. What I say? So we all have to change. We can't just say Black Lives Matter and we treat our own black people like shit. We black people have to treat ourselves right. Kofi Owusu, police tell me say I am a criminal. I said, why are you calling me a criminal? I said, because you smoke weed. In Ghana, it's not one time. Police have arrested me more times. Always I have to pay 1,000 here, 500 here, 1,000 here, 300 here, 200 here, 500 here, 1,000 here. You see, so we have to change our mindset. We have to change. I'm not a criminal. I entertain people. That's my job. But I want you guys all to go on YouTube right now and watch Dondo 10 times. Make Dondo hit 1 million views. Yeah, I want by next week before hit 1 million views on Dondo. It's almost a year now. As I say. Penny Jade, England. Yeah, you are a criminal in Ghana for being born. Yo, yeah, I think Ghana police, tell it. Yeah, we have to, make some changes and let people know that it is not a crime to use cannabis. It is a crime when you are selling it, when you are trading in it, but it's not a crime. Nobody keeps flaunting weed, Regina AC. It's a thing they know that I've been arrested for weed before. So whenever they stop me, they want to search. Why are the other drivers going? And a celebrity. What they say? I'm not just anybody. I'm Kwaw Kese. So why would you stop Kwaw Kese that want to search you and all the other drivers are going? You won't stop them and search them. Because I have been arrested for weed before, so you think I always have weed. And that is the only thing you can use to embarrass me, then you are a fool. Because some of the policemen also go about and enjoy my music, and they are my fans. So all those bad police who will stop me and say, hey, we have to search you. Why are you not stopping other people to search them? You saw Kwaw Kese, no, I have to search you because you think you will find weed. And Ghana police, if you haven't done anything, sir, you have to settle. If you haven't done anything, they stop you. Your papers is correct, your license, your everything is correct. Oh, boss, Uba, say, Charlie, the way the sun they shine. Oh, boss, Uba, say tonight, dear Charlie. No matter what, Ghana police will take something from you. Somebody say make a feature Guru. Robert Santos de Carlos are here. I have a song with Guru though. Barry's Bruce. Yeah, I'm just citing an example. I am not anybody because I'm not a criminal. People know me, the whole Ghana know me. That's what I'm talking about. I am Kwaw Kese, the whole Ghana know me. I would commit a crime and run away. I am Kwaw Kese, the whole Ghana know me. So, if you stop me and you want to search me, then it means you have an intention. Why are you not stopping other people? Regina AC, stop being childish. Stop being childish. I make music for millions of Ghanaians to enjoy. There are millions of cars driving on the road. If you stop me alone and you don't stop other people, then you have an agenda. That's what I'm talking about. There are more cars. We are more cars on the road. You saw Kwaw Kese. Hey, Kwaw Kese, stop. We have to search you. Why are you not stopping the other drivers who are there were drivers ahead of me, there are drivers behind me. So if you are conducting a search, then you have to search everybody. If you search me alone, then it means you have an agenda. And what is the agenda? Because Kwaw Kese was arrested for smoking weed. And hey, Regina AC, you live in America and you are telling me that smoking weed is criminal, then you are a disgrace. In this modern world, anybody who will tell me that if you smoke, you are a criminal. You smoke, so you are a criminal. Elon Musk, he is the owner of, what is it called? This car. Tesla. Nansenya Elon Musk. Ne company omode we then rocket ako space. Oshuri. Is he a criminal? Ghanaians, sometimes we disgrace our body too much. We disgrace our body. Regina AC, I'm disappointed in you. So you believe that I'm a criminal because I smoke weed. You are a disgrace to Ghana. Ghanaian, you living in America, you are saying this. You are a disgrace to Ghanaians in America. Ade amaye in the meshe. And then come mention bankwa siasem we inti meshe. I mean shame on you people. Sorry, I forgo. Junior GH, I see you. Big up on yourself. What you say? Saeed became Ifari. That's why smoking is free in some parts of America. That's why when I'm in America, I smoke small. But make a Ghana, they can bring the whole Ghana police to my house if they see that I'm smoking. So in Ghana, I will not smoke. If I smoke, say you will not see it. But in America, it's a land of freedom. Oh, Nana baby, I go Behema. Nana, you are from Ohio. I see you. They brainwash the Ghanaians that when you smoke, you go mad. But a lot of Ghanaians will go to Snoop Dogg's page and like what he's when he's smoking, and they will see all these people smoke. Most of these presidents, I will not mention names, but I can count 2 Ghanaian presidents. Recently, they were presidents. I will not mention names, but I know of 2 Ghanaian presidents who smoke weed. I will not mention anybody's name. What I say? They smoked weed. I don't know if they smoke now, but they smoked weed. And I still know, because we see in America, some sickness, it be weed that they give you to smoke. Those people, they have Parkinson's disease, and they give them to smoke. A lot of sickness, it is there in Tampere, what they say. Into Ghana in this modern time, and you tell me, say, if you smoke weed, you go mad. We are misleading our future. We have the land and the resources to make billions of dollars from this thing and stop borrowing money from the West. But we are fooling that we are watching. So they arrest innocent people. Police will chase innocent people in the bush, arrest them, and lock them for 5 years, 10 years. Meanwhile, somebody in his country is growing the thing and selling it back to you as medicine in Ghana. We should stop that stupidity and accept the thing and legalize it and make economic sense out of it. Make economic sense. Ghana, let's make economic sense of all the things we have. We have big land over there, lands, millions of acres, that we can make billions and trillions of money and stop borrowing from the West. Oh, mobbo. So the guy where is saying to you, they come chop the food to a waiter man, come. So finally, oh, the food is gone. Oh, finally. Your Cobra tight. We've been speaking long time, but people don't listen. Osteniko Josrebo, you are a fool. You are a fool. I have money that takes care of me and my family. I have never begged the state to feed me. What I'm talking, it makes sense. You are a fool. That's why you people are not reaching anywhere. That's why you come to government and steal the people's money. One of these days, most of you thieves in politics, in government, will account for that. I'm telling you. One of these days, the thieves in government will account for that. I'm telling you guys. Go to California. They are making billions of money from cannabis. And you sit in Ghana, you're with your third world mentality and tell me that it will make you go crazy. It is not good. That is why we are suffering. Because of you people. So fucking politicians. That's why Ghanaians are suffering. Because I want to see some politician come here and talk shit. The way I go address them. You Oskeni Kojo Srebo, look at your face. Because I say, I'm not saying legalize weed for people to smoke. Make economic sense out of it. We can make billions and trillions trading, selling the thing to the people, to the West. We have the land to grow it. People are already growing it. But we can make it a lot and make more money and stop borrowing money, cheap money. They will use the name, the Ghana name, a precious name like that, and the politician will come to DC and borrow some coins money. What I said, they will come and borrow money. And the money will not even reach the common people because they will take their 20% from DC. It will get to, by the time it gets to Accra, the money, somebody has also taken their percent. That is why Ghana is suffering. We have all the gold, the diamonds, the cocos, the everything, but we are suffering. Because Ghana is not prospering because of politicians who don't believe in politicians. They are thieves, all of them. Thieves. I know more of them. I know people who had nothing. When their party came to power, within a year, they have built mansions. Where do they get the money from? They should show us their bank account. How much did they make a month? They are thieves. Don't let the politician lie to you. A wifo. So now everybody wants to be a politician. Have you seen the trend? I'm going to my studio. Now everybody wants to be a politician because they know say they can easily steal money and nobody will talk about it. And Ghanaians too will hail them. Hey, see, yesterday they vote for Kumasi. People are fighting. You are fighting for the politician. When he wins power, he will come and dash you fridge and increase electricity. Can you buy light for the fridge? You cross yourself, politician. For me, you cross for Ghana politicians. Me, you cross for. Your people are suffering. You don't support them. When it's time for a battle, then you go and dash them bicycle. You dash them fridge. Ghana politicians, you are a disgrace. Ghanaians have enough that they can share to Ghanaians, and every Ghanaian will be okay, and you can still steal. But you are abandoning the people, stealing, and when it's time for the vote, you come and dash fridge, dash rice, dash t-shirt, bentria niya mo de koji vote. Ghana politicians mo ye Jones. Ghana popa na most moody politicians eji. Because of politicians, some people are fighting, beating their own brothers because of politicians. Blood is coming. Massa, me, I'll never go vote for any politician again. Kopo ejuma mo bi papa no abetena enkran onko ni krom kra bio. And they chop. the people's money. Politicians, disgrace. You can kick the music. And you will chase people because people smoke in Tampa. Because CR4. Yo, I have to go now, Charlie. I love you guys, man. Sometimes you have to keep the fire burning. As I say, if you don't keep the fire burning, these people, they are nobodies. I know politicians who were driving taxi in America. They got the chance. I thought they were going to do things for their people. They were driving taxis and hustling in America. And now they come to Ghana, they steal the people's money, buy big cars, buy mansions. And they think they are nobody can talk about it. And Ghanaians will also follow and vote and kill them body and fight for these same people. Hey, a mob ball. And when you talk, people say, oh, about them, what shit, you know, it is sad. The last time I was sharing money on Twitter, 20 CDs. People were like, thousands of people put their numbers out. You know why? I don't blame them. They are hungry. 20 CD can change their life. Some people said, about them, send us 10 CDs. Some people even want 5 CDs to change their life. That is how people are suffering. Keep giving your vote and following politicians and killing yourself. The arcades are in Abrochire, chilling. They send money from Ghana to the arcades. I know a lot of them. Some of them are my friends. What I say? They send money from Ghana to the arcades to chill. Then you the Ghanaian, you go and Ubaka for Salai, then you fight. One guy's a uniano, then they come to hey, I go win, hey, and you would away, or boy, winning, don't be no, hey, young to quack. Wait, Jimmy, Oko, Kunwe, Amobi, Obena position. And yet, Jimmy, we should stop that thing, Charlie. Life as a son. You can't kill yourself for somebody's brother or father to get power. You have to stop that. What I say? The person don't feed you. Edo about to do you know. Wa akofa fridge or the abro. Nipa ne kwa, how would you buy light to light that fridge? How long can you do that? Wabra will move 2 cups. How long can the move 2 cups sustain you? Chale mama ye in the hole. Yeah, mama ye in the hole. What I say? Or brad will be a bonnet day, but the add-ons we can add in life for people to have a better life is the truth. And when we speak the truth, people think we are crazy. I like it. But I'll keep telling you the truth. What I say, me, nobody see apart from God and my fans. Nobody has supported me in any way. God and my fans. It is the fans who put food on the table because me bo shows na there. The fans, because of the fans, they pay me for shows. What I say, because of the fans, I get some streams and money will come from internet. It is the fans who have watched me. And me to have flipped some of the money and, you know, I'm able to build a mansion in Accra. And it's easy to build a house in Accra. I built a house in Accra. No endorsement deals. Because, see, when you are true to yourself, God will take care of you. What I say? Yeah, bo shows until Corona by every week me bo show. Me nyakwa me 20,000, 10,000, 20. It keeps me going. You see, you have to be true to yourself, and God will bless you more. When we speak the truth, you people think you're shit, you're shit, you're to me in Kanyansasem. But all the Nyansasem in this world came out from people who smoke weed. Bob Marley, name some more kind, long time. I suffered the solicisia. one shekra unto me kanyansa. Ntina politician on shade that kwasia wabijan was oh ka truth into wabodam. Akwa shade na ode cancer. Where you come and borrow money in America, the money you borrow in America, by the time it gets to Ghana, it is left with 50%. Also, the Baye road. Now, the 50%, the minister will have to take his percentage. But the money, by the time the money gets to the contractor, 100 million or budget or the road. By the time it gets to the contractor, it's 20 million. So the contractor will do a shoddy work because that's what the money can do. What I say? But you come and promise your people, I'll do this, I'll do that. And you get the money to do the thing and you steal the money? Hey, baby. Is that not painful? Your own people want... See, the father of Ghana is the president. The family, Ebusianfo, the uncles and the Ebusianfo, no, one now it be them be the ministers and the staff, the parliamentarians and stuff. They are supposed to take care of the people. They manage. It's our money. Everything in Ghana belong to Ghanaians. The gold, the diamonds, the cocoa, the farms, the lands, everything is for Ghanaians. We pay taxes. The taxes money is for Ghanaians. So as a father and a responsible people, when they come to power, I'm not talking about NDC, NPP. I'm talking about them all in general. When you get the power, you take care of your people, your kids. Make sure your kids are eating well. Your kids have school. They are going to school. You pay. Your kids have better schools to go. Make sure your kids, when they are sick, there is a hospital that can cater for them. In Ghana, if you are sick right now, a lot of people, when they feel sick, they are scared to go to hospital because they might rather die at the hospital. If you hear your family member is being transferred to Kwelebu, you have to pray. What I say? If you take $100 million, you can build a beautiful hospital that will take care of your people. But Ghanaians will rather take $200 million to go and do voters ID. Go to Kwelebu. Kwelebu gutter, people are sleeping there. Kwelebu, by the gutter, people are sleeping there right now. Go there. Go to Kwelebu. Obekono, people in Kofuti, people are sitting in chairs with drapes on them. Go to Kwelebu and go to any other hospital. You will see that. Go to the children's ward. The mosquito nets are all gone. So mosquitoes come direct into the children's ward. Kids, newborn babies are sleeping there. Go there right now. If I'm lying, go there. Go to Kwelebu right now. Go to the children's ward. Ube will say the mosquito nets, you know. Atetew. Mosquito nets in atetew. If you talk this, they will say you are a madman because you smoke weed. I want one of you who don't smoke weed, who claim to have good mental way. Go to Kwelebu right now. Go to the children's ward and see it for yourself. Go to Kwelebu right now. Go to the emergency ward. You see people sleeping outside by the gutter. In gutter, in Suriname gutter, people are sleeping by it. Some Ghanaian musicians will not say this because they get paid by the politician. Mama mweninda ho. Aja say, your vote is your right, but don't go and kill yourself or get hurt because of somebody's father or brother or sister or mother, because you are trying to give them a job. You are going to get hurt or kill yourself or kill your brother because you want to give somebody's father or brother or mother a job. You don't do that. I beg you, don't do that. If you want to vote, quietly go and vote. and go home. Don't go and kill yourself for anybody. They will not do it for you. They don't care about you. May Allah bless you guys all. Matthias, yeah, Charlie, we have to speak the truth for the youth, because the youth is all we get. They don't think about us. See, our leaders don't think about the youth. They think about themselves, because the Oman Bobra wako school wako school all his life went to man to Benz S515 to obenya power no peso or the OVS kakoto Benz. Wako school went to mensi mansion wa Accra. Into obenya power no, he wants to steal money and buy mansion in Accra in the people's expense. Wako school when your young girl be more one fulfill ne show ho amano. Into obenya power no, he has to spend, buy a house, buy Range Rover and things for a young girl be, which the money is our money. So that young girl be show be feel ne show ho amano. You have to think twice. A word to the wise. This time is not in the north. Edapum. I love you guys, Charlie. We should speak the truth. We should be each other's keeper. Don't go and kill yourself trying to give somebody's father a job. Victory album is coming. Iceberg Real Levels. I see you. Social distance. About to social distance into Kwaopa Masa Ukwa Corona. I love you guys, Charlie. I love you, Charlie. I have to go, man. Bless you. Bless you. I mean, trim back on.